Our fourth group of friendly letters is the loop and stick family, which includes thaa and zwaa. These letters are shaped like an oval loop resting right on the baseline, tied by a tall vertical stick. Letters of this family are very rigid. They do not drop below the line or change their actual shape at all, whether they are at the beginning, the middle, or the end of a word. But since they are friendly letters, they spread out their two hands while keeping their loop and the tall stick. To differentiate them, thaa has no dots, while zwaa has a single dot right next to its tall stick. Now let's pick some letters to connect them. For our first word, let's pick thaa, ya, and ra. Thaa is in the beginning, taking the leader position. It keeps its loop and tall stick perfectly intact, stretching its left hand forward. Next is ya in the middle, taking the bridge position, showing its two dots underneath. Ra is at the end, taking the finisher position. This word is tayr. Tayr means bird. Now let's pick thaa, ba, ya, and ba. Thaa starts in the leader position with its beautiful loop and tall stick. The first ba takes the bridge position shape with its single dot underneath. Then comes ya, also taking a bridge position with its two dots underneath. Finally, the last ba that sits at the end in its full finisher position. This word after joining looks like this. This is tabib. Tabib means doctor. Now let's pick ba and thaa. Ba is at the beginning, taking the leader position with its dot underneath. Thaa is at the end, taking the finisher position shape while beautifully showing its loop and tall stick on the line. This word is batt. Batt means duck. And now let's pick sheen and thaa. Sheen starts in the leader position shape with its three teeth and three dots on the top. Thaa comes right after it at the end, taking the finisher position shape. This word is shat, and shat means beach. Let's pick thaa, ba, and ya. Thaa in the beginning, taking the leader position. Just like its friendly twin, it keeps its loop shape, tall stick, and its single dot on top perfectly intact while flat on the line. Next, ba is in the middle, taking the bridge position shape with its dot underneath. Ya is at the end, taking the finisher position shape and showing its full elegant curve below the line. This word is zabi. Zabi means gazelle. And for our next word, we'll pick noon, alif, thaa, and ra. Noon is in the beginning, taking the leader position shape with its dot on top. Next we have alif connecting to the noon with its right hand, taking the finisher position shape. And because alif is a selfish letter, zwaa has to start a brand new chain in the middle, taking the leader position with its loop, tall stick, and the dot on top. Finally, ra is at the end, taking the finisher position shape, stretching its right hand back to connect with the zwaa. This word is nazir. Nazir means viewer. Our fifth group of letters is the crescent bowl family, made up of ayin and ghayn.